Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Math. Today in this video we'll see class 8 rational numbers exercise 1.2 questions from 13 to 15. Now question number 13 is we have been doing the simplification of rational numbers, that is involving addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so the question number 13 is 3 by 4 divided by 5 by 8 plus 1 by 2. So what are the operations we have here? Division and multiplication. And which one has to be done first? Please recall the rule, BIDMAS. So first is bracket. Do you have bracket here? Yes, there is a bracket. So bracket has to be done first and the rest of the numbers as it is. So we'll do the bracket first. 3 by 4 as it is, divided by as it is, and inside the bracket what is the operation? It is addition. So how to add the numbers? To add, the denominators must be same. Yes. Are they same? No, they are different. How to make them same? Yes, finding LCM for the denominators 8 and 2. So, by what tables both 8 and 2 come? Both are divisible by 2 tables. So, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. That's all. 4 and 1, they don't have a common factor. Once you get 1, only 1 is the common factor. We can stop the sum. So 2 4s are, we can stop the division. So 2 4s are 8 is our LCM. So what is the next step after finding LCM? Put a common denominator and write 8. Instead of 2 and 8, we are writing the common denominator 8. So now we have to make the changes with the numerators. 8 into what is 8? 8 1s are. So multiply numerator also by 1. 5 1s are 5 plus 2 into what is 8? 2 4s are. Multiply numerator also by 4. 4 1s are 4. Now, next step, still even now we cannot remove the bracket because it is not yet simplified to a single rational number. Still there is an operation. Addition is there still. So, 3 by 4 divided by, now 5 plus 4 is 9 by 8. Now, the bracket can be removed because this we have completed this addition operation and we have written the answer as one rational number 9 by 8. Now we have only two rational numbers and only one operation. It is just like the division of rational numbers. What to do? How to divide? Come on. Recall the rule of division. Yes, what is it? Write the first fraction as a rational number as it is. Change division into multiplication. And 9 by 8, write the reciprocal of the second rational number. 9 by 8 becomes 8 by 9. Next step. Yes, if you can cancel. If there is a common factor, you can cancel a numerator with the denominator. Check 3 and 4. They don't have 3 is a prime number. They don't have a common factor. 8 and 9. It comes in 2 and 4 tables, but 9 is there in only 3 tables, so there is no common factor. Now cross one numerator and one denominator. So what is it? 3 and 9? Yes, in 3 tables. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. And 4 and 8? By 4 tables. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Anything else? 1, 2, 1, 3 and 2 and 3? No, they don't have a common factor. Both are prime numbers. So now after this, multiply both the numerators and multiply both the denominators. The operation between the numerators is multiplication. The operation between two denominators also multiplication. The operation between a numerator and a denominator is division. Only then, because of that only, we can cancel them. So 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3. This is the answer. So for question number 13, we got 2 by 3. Option B is the answer for question number 13. Now we'll see question number 14, which is 3 by 4 into 5 by 8 divided by 1 by 2. Again, what are the operations? Multiplication and division. Which one has to be done first? In BIDMAS, which operation? Inside the bracket. First is bracket. Yes, we have a bracket. So within the bracket, we have to do first. Simplify first. So 3 by 4 into, what is the rule of division? Write the first rational number as it is. Change division into multiplication and reciprocal of the second rational number. 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. And next step, we shall cancel because now you can remove the bracket and cancel all the three numbers together, because it's only multiplication. Here also multiplication, here also multiplication, and we have studied about the properties of multiplication. However you change the order, the answer will not change. That is the commutative property, and three numbers are the associative property. In addition and multiplication, however you change the order of two numbers or three numbers or any number of numbers, you will get the same answer. Whether you do within the bracket and then multiply with outside number, or you multiply all three together, you will get the same answer, because in multiplication the order of the number can be changed. See, I'll give an example again just to recall. 5 into 8 into 2 will take. So multiply 8 into 2, 5 into 8 2s are 16, 16 5s are 80. Now multiply 5 into 8, then multiply by 2, 5 8s are 40, 40 into 2 is again 80. So however, whether you group second two numbers or you group the first two numbers, we are getting the same answer. So since both the operations are multiplication, the bracket can be removed and all three numbers can be simplified together. Or you complete within the bracket and do with the first number, even then you get the same answer. So now here, if you cancel, what can be cancelled here? 2 and 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Anything else can be cancelled? 5 and 4, no common factor. 3 and 4, no common factor. Okay, 4 and 4. Can we cancel 4 and 4 by 4 tables? 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. Both come in 4 table. Can we cancel? Yes? No, we cannot cancel. Why not? Because both are in the denominator. Two denominators cannot be cancelled. Why can't they be cancelled? Because the operation between the denominators is multiplication. Only if the operation is division, they can be cancelled. Cancelling means we are dividing by the same number. So here the operation between the two denominators is multiplication, and between two numerators is also multiplication. Even though 4 and 4, they have a common factor, both come in 4 tables and 2 tables, they cannot be cancelled because the operation is multiplication. This also you must be very sure. The two numerators cannot be cancelled and two denominators also cannot be cancelled. Okay, now we'll multiply everything. 3 5s are 10 and 10 1s are 10 by 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 15 1s are 15, divided by 4 4s are 16. 15 by 16, it is a proper fraction, and 15 and 16, they don't have a common factor. So that's all our answer. We'll check the answers now. So for 14th one, 15 by 16 we got. Therefore, option D is only 15 by 16. That is the answer for question number 14. Now, the last question in this 1.2 exercise, question number 15. Which of these rational numbers which have additive inverse? That means which of these rational numbers have this which? I think it is not necessary here, this which. Which of these rational numbers have additive inverse? So we have to find the additive inverse all the numbers and check whether they have an additive inverse or not. What is additive inverse? Additive inverse is just the negative of it. Suppose additive inverse of 8 means it is minus 8. Additive inverse of a negative number minus 9 is plus 9. So additive inverse means we are just changing the sign. If it is plus, it becomes minus. If it is minus, it becomes plus. That is additive inverse. We have to change the sign. No, if you change the numerator and denominator, that is multiplicative inverse. And additive inverse is change only the sign. So plus 7 is minus 7. So 7 has additive inverse. Minus 5 by 7 additive inverse is plus 5 by 7. Even this also has additive inverse. And additive inverse of 0 is 0 only. And one more thing, to find the additive inverse, we have additive the identity element of addition is 0. With any number you add 0, we get the same number. So we add 0, we get the same number. Then the additive inverse of 7 is minus 7. That is 7 plus what gives minus 7. That is the additive inverse. 7 plus minus 7 gives your identity element of addition 0. Therefore, 7 and minus 7 are additive inverse. So, 7 plus what gives you 0, that is the additive inverse of 7. And 0 plus what gives the additive identity element of addition 0? 0 plus what gives 0? 0 only. Therefore, additive inverse of 0 is 0. Since 0 is neither positive nor negative, we don't change the sign. Additive inverse of 0 is 0. Then option D is all of these. Yes, all of the three numbers have additive inverse. For 7 also has additive inverse minus 7. Minus 5 by 7 has plus 5 by 7 as additive inverse. And additive inverse of 0 is 0. Therefore, all the three numbers have the additive inverse. So, the correct option is D, all of these. Okay, children. So, we'll see the next exercise in the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you all.